going to talk through some exercises for hip pain. Some of the conditions I have in mind are glute-med tendinopathy, greater trochanteric bursitis, and pain that you might feel through the front of your hip, perhaps from early osteoarthritis of the hip. I should say from the start that not all conditions benefit from off-the-peg sort of exercises. These are some of the exercises though that I frequently find I give out for some of these common conditions. So let's have a look. The first exercise I'll show you is the clam. So for that, line on your side, your feet together, keep your feet together, and you just lift the top knee up. If you have pain with that, just try squeezing on your buttocks before you lift the leg up. So squeeze your butt on first and then lift the top knee up. Care not to roll backwards and care not to twist too much through your spine. If you can do that easily and without pain, you can move on to another exercise for your glutes, for your glute med, and that's hip abduction. Again, care to stay on your side. Make sure that your femur is in line with your body or slightly behind, and that you're able to do that without pain. The third exercise is a stretch for your hip, and I want you to maintain the lordosis, that backward C shape in your lumbar spine, as you gently hug your knee up towards your chest. If you do feel pain with that, just back off with the stretch. But the idea is to maintain lumbar lordosis so that you are not flexing through your spine, and just gently stretch the hip joint. Finally, I like to look at how you're walking. When you have hip pain, you'll often develop a way of moving to try and unload that hip. Typically, someone with hip pain starts to move in this sort of pattern. What you need to do is stop that. If you can simply stay strong and tall over that hip, that may be enough. If you have pain as you do that, you can break that movement down. So as your heel strikes the ground, squeeze your butt on and step through. You may find that to start with, you need to just practice that movement of squeezing your butt on as the heel strikes the ground and stepping through, and hopefully you can progress to a few steps and a few meters and gradually build up that way. Hopefully you found that useful. My name's Andrew Scott once again. Thank you for watching.